Hey team, today I'm reviewing this wall-mounted drying rack. It is super sleek, super minimal. When you open it up, you have 32 inches with 5 aluminum racks. There is plenty of room to hang your clothing. You can also do bath towels on here and your delicates, of course. You can also sit shoes or boots up top that need to dry. Installation was really simple for this. It is quite sturdy. It does not rust, and it looks pretty great. Wall-mounted drying racks are perfect for apartments, for bathrooms, for laundry rooms, of course. And when it's not in use, you simply fold it up, tuck it away. It's a huge space saver, and it's totally worth it.